Are you a nurse that works with ostomy patients? Did you know there's a support program which provides resources about ostomy lifestyle and product options for people who are going through surgery? Hi, I'm Darcy Helder, Senior Marketing Manager for Ostomy here at Coloplast. I'm joined by Athena Carlson, Ostomy Care Advisor in our Coloplast Care team. Athena, can you show us what comes in the Coloplast Care Welcome Kit?
Yeah, let's unbox it. So the kit comes in a box like this, and as your patients open it, they see our introductory letter and a book relating to their stoma type. There is a letter for them to present to their home health nurse, which also has video instructions on the back. These videos can be really helpful for their home health nurse to watch if they're not as familiar with ostomy products or care. This is the new travel bag, which holds some items, including the scissors, a mirror, a measuring guide, and a marking pen. Usually what we send in the beginning will be cut to fit products. So we remind your patient to use the measuring guide to measure the stoma, the marking pen to mark the exact size on the barrier, and then to use the curved scissors to cut the base plate to the correct size. We do send some protective seals and elastic barrier strips in each pack like this with some instructions, but we tell your patients to only use these if instructed by the nurse. If pouches or other accessories were requested, they would be on this side of the box.
Athena, about how long does it take to arrive at the patient's home, and is there a notification process?
Yeah, the kit arrives in about 2 business days to the person's home. And we do send an email of welcome to the person as well as the shipping notification, but that only happens if the person chooses to include their email. I think this is actually really helpful as a lot of people forget that about what their nurse told them in the hospital. But if they see the email, then they know that we'll be calling and checking on them as well. That can really help a person's mindset as they return home, to know that they have a connection to someone who knows and understands what they're going through.
Yeah, for sure.
Nurses can reach out to us to enroll a patient at 855-863-3912 or by logging onto our coloplastcareconnect.us site.
Information from Coloplast Care is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to substitute for professional medical advice and should not be interpreted to contain treatment recommendations.